All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Since I've been getting so many requests about my watch, well, here is what my watch kind of looks like and what it is and all that fun jazz. So obviously, duh, it's a freaking Rolex. And yes, no matter what you say, no matter what you think, yes, it is real. But you can say whatever you want. Say it's fake. I bought it at a Chinese restaurant for 50 bucks. Why not? We'll go with that. Anyway, here we go. So this is basically what a standard Rolex watch comes in, a box like this. Very nice, just do really quick. Comes in this like shoebox style. And then it comes in its own beautiful jeweled jewelry green box. Rolex green all the way. And when you open it, boom, you get this little, usually comes looking something like this. And got my little links that I took out of it because I have small wrists. I got another one right here because I have small wrists. And they're quite heavy because they're 18 karat gold. And here's the little, what is this thing? I don't know, the little jewel hologram that comes with the watch when it's brand new. But this is it. This is the day date President band, black diamond dial and factory bezel. I don't know if you can tell, but this is what they look like. And if you know anything about a Rolex and factory everything, well, you could pretty much tell that, yeah, this is definitely factory. Rolex, to my knowledge, I guess only uses flawless to VVS diamonds. So that's why they look so beautiful. And on top of that, they don't just use the best quality diamond. The cuts are actually exquisite as well. If you actually run your finger across, it feels so smooth to the touch. It's just like incredible how smooth it actually feels. Now this is I think this is a 2006 or 2007 model. The one before they started putting inscribing Rolex inside the actual casing right up here. You can usually see it says Rolex, but this one doesn't say anything because it's the one that's the year before they started doing that. So I missed that boat, but it is the newer style, as you can tell by the clasp. And I'm sure you can tell by the sound of that that's actual gold. So it's not fake, but 100 people are gonna say fake, and that's fine, whatever. It's fake if you want it to be. So how can you tell if you have a actual, I guess, real Rolex? Well, I guess this is how you do it. Look at this one. Compare and contrast, if you will. So I'll just go over it real quick. This is the clasp and clasp. Inside, this is basically what they look like. I don't know if you can see this. I just had it redone maybe like 2 months ago because I've had this watch. Oh my God, I've had this since like 2008-ish. 2008. So I've worn this almost every day for the last like 10 years. Beautiful watch. Heavy as fuck. And you can see the second hand just rolling around. Now, oh yeah, the back obviously has nothing. I mean, well, not obviously, I guess if you don't know. But the backs are just basically nothing on it. There's no like symbols or anything, so that's one way. And you can see it's 750. That's probably the gold because it's 18 karat gold. This is yellow gold, by the way. Oh, this is really picking up all that stuff. And I'll try my best to show you. So the one thing, oh, here, this part right here. That's what this will look like. It might be upside down, and it is. And the model number for this particular watch, let me say, it's the 118 something, 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 something. Hold on, I have the paper somewhere here. Waka waka wow. This is the F, serial number is the F. So that helps for anything. And this is the 118238. So it's the newer one. It's not the big one. I think it's a 37 millimeter, 38 millimeter. They do make them in like 40 something millimeter. I'm not too privy on all that, unfortunately. But this is what it looks like. I wish I could show you one other thing. The reason why the factory bezels are way better than third party is because, like I said, the craftsmanship is just like unparalleled. If you can actually get, I don't think I can get anything to do it, but if you can get the reflections, you know how your diamonds will like reflect the little like white light on the ceiling or walls or whatever. On this particular watch, especially factory watches, the diamond like imprint of how it reflects will be like a complete perfect circle. I can't really relay that. Maybe I'll add a picture in, but it does like a complete perfect circle. Whereas if you get one that's third party, whatever the case may be, the diamonds are refracting all over the place. It doesn't look like a circle at all. It just looks like a starry night. But this one will make it look like a complete circle, just like the bezel itself. See if I can get in there as close as I can. Probably can, probably cannot. But this is what they look like, and this is what they are. So there you go. Everyone always asking about my watch. Oh yeah, see? See how it's small, then it gets really big? That's one way to tell. And this probably will never pick this up, but if you look right here where this baguette is right here, there will be an actual Rolex crown engraved inside the crystal. I don't think this will ever pick it up, but it's very tiny. It's very hard to see, and it depends on how the lighting is. But you can see it, it's usually right there. It's very, very small. But that's the surefire way. Anyway, my name is Emilio. Enjoy the rest of your day. Whee!